Zeva Zero eVTOL completes first powered test. Zeva has completed the first untethered flight test for its Zero flying wing airframe, where the aircraft took off and flew under its 8 electric propellers. With the first flight completed, the Zero now boasts the bragging rights of being a functional, real aircraft with flight time in its logbook in an industry rife with ground demonstrators and digital renders. The flight is an important milestone in the airworthiness certification process, proving the unmanned demonstrator could take off and maintain position in a controlled hover, as well as taxi, climb, and maneuver at low altitude. The pancake-ish single-pilot aircraft is an unusual addition to the eVTOL race, supporting a prone pilot position that takes off and lands on its tail. Zeva hopes that sleek design opens doors for the Zero among high-flying corporate businesses looking for single-occupant runabout to fly right to the side of their skyscraper. Quote, "This is a huge inflection point for Zeva as we join an exclusive set of proven flying eVTOL platforms and a testament to the relentless hard work and ingenuity of our entire team over the past 2.5 years," end quote, said Stephen Tibbetts, CEO and chairman of Zeva.